era belly.
November 17, 2024, the Morvant and Belmont areas of San Juan, Trinidad and Tobago, were hit by a flash flood due to extremely heavy rainfall over the past few hours. This event has caused significant damage, affected the daily lives of residents, and caused severe disruption to local infrastructure. The flash flood was triggered by heavy rain that poured over the area since early morning. The very high rainfall in a short period of time caused a strong flow of water that carried materials such as soil, rocks, and garbage into low-lying settlements. The geographical conditions of Morvant and Belmont, which are hilly and have limited drainage systems, also worsened the impact of the flood. Small rivers that are usually able to accommodate rainwater suddenly overflowed, flowing water into main roads and residential areas. Residents living around the affected areas had to deal with very bad conditions, with houses submerged in floodwaters up to a depth of more than 1 meter in some places. Several reports indicate that vehicles parked along the road were also swept away by the floodwaters. Residents living in the area were forced to evacuate to higher ground, while rescue workers and emergency personnel continued to work hard to evacuate those trapped. Several key infrastructures such as roads, small bridges, and power lines were also damaged. Widespread power outages occurred in some areas, adding to the hardships of isolated residents. Authorities from local and national governments have issued extreme weather warnings and are providing emergency assistance to residents.